All right, next question wants us to, we've got a little runner. They're going to go around a track because they're a track and field star, which I never was, so life goals. How far will the runner travel if he runs once around the track back to the starting position? So we're looking for distance around the track. We are finding perimeter. This is not an area question. So how are we going to figure this out? If we're going perimeter, that means we're dealing with adding up parts around the outside. So what are our shapes here? Well, we have a rectangle business happening right there. And that's good to know, but it doesn't really help us when we're doing our distance around, because these sides here, even though this is 64 and this is 64, it's not actually helping me with what we're doing going around. If we're going around, the only sides that we really have to focus on are, let's do it in a different color. Pink, this side, and then we have to figure out this and this. Well, this half and this half make up a whole circle. So if we were to take 100 plus a whole circle plus this 100, we could find the distance around. So 100, whoopsie-daisies, let's move this down so you can see what I'm writing, plus circumference of a full circle plus 100 equals distance, track. Now, when we're finding the circumference of a circle, we're going to have to figure out how we want to find circumference, because if we look back here, there are two ways we can find circumference. We can either use circumference equals pi d or circumference equals 2 pi r. If I look at my drawing, I have the diameter for the circle. So I'm going to use pi d here. For the circumference of a circle. Now, I want you to hit pause, and I want you to see if you can get to this answer. I want you to do the calculation. So hit pause right now and see if you can get to this answer. So total distance, therefore, wait a second. What is it? How far will therefore the runner, always steal from the question to start your answer, will travel, and it's a perimeter question, so we're not squaring our units or anything like that, 401.06, and that's without rounding, and then units are meters. Meters, that's the 400 if you're running the 400. That's how far you're running. Wow. Gross. That's too much running. I'd be a walker. I'd walk the 400.